that used to be there, you could see where they've been washed away by too many further days, 12 o'clock days. Then you came along with your siren song to tempt me to madness. I thought for a while that your poignant smile was tipped with the sadness of a great love for me. Oh yes, I was wrong. Again I was wrong. Life is lonely again, and only last year everything seems so short. Now life is so full again, a drop full of heart could only be a bore. A week in Paris really is a bite of it. Oh, I caress a smile in spite of it. I'll forget you, I will, while yet you are still burning inside my brain. Romance is smashed, stifling doors is trying